Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Tag Manager from WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Tag Manager from WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Installed Plugins to view all the active plugins on your site. Locate the Google Tag Manager plugin in the list. Once found, click on the Deactivate link below the plugin name. After deactivation, the link will change to Delete. Click on Delete to remove the plugin from your WordPress site. Confirm the deletion when prompted by WordPress. Next, you need to ensure that Google script is removed from your theme. Go to Appearance in the left sidebar. Click on Theme Editor to access your currently active themes files. In the theme files, search for the header.php file. Click on header.php to open it for editing. Look for the Google Tag Manager script tags within this file. These tags usually start with script and contain references to Google Tag Manager. Remove the entire script block including the opening and closing tags. Once the script is deleted, scroll down and click on Update File. Next, check if your WordPress site is still loading the Google Tag Manager. You can do this by viewing the source code of your website. Right-click on your web page and select View Page Source. Use Ctrl+F or Command+F to search for gtm.js or Google Tag Manager. If you find any remaining references, you may need to check your footer.php file as well. Navigate back to the theme editor and select footer.php. Conduct the same search for the Google Tag Manager script in this file. Remove any leftover code if necessary. After making your changes, click on Update File again. Finally, clear your website cache if you have a caching plugin installed. This ensures that the uninstallation changes are reflected immediately. Visit your website to confirm that Google Tag Manager has been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.